itself down by 12 big points. Magu, anong balita sa'yo?
Eto Charlie, nakakwentuhan natin kanina. Eto si Coach Bo Perasol at tinanong natin paano nga ba sila nakarating dito sa automatic semifinals. Banggit niya, yung opensa nila, they've been running the same. It's still the usual numbers para dito sa Air 21 Express. Number 1 sila sa 2-point field goals, pati sa points off turnovers, number 1 din sila. Points for, number 2 sila at 97.5. Free throws, rebounds, nandiyan din sila sa ibabaw. Ang pinakamalaking diferensya daw para sa kanila for this Fiesta Cup is yung kanilang depensa. Pero medyo absent pa nga sa ball game nito. Pero all throughout, kaya nag 11-6 na sila coming into this ball game. Tignan mo naman yung depensa nila. Second chance points, numero 1 sila dyan. Free throws allowed, rebounds at opponents, turnovers, number 2 sila. At yung total defense nila, they are now in the middle of the pack. Hindi katulad dati, kahit na number 1 sa opensa, nasa dulo naman sa depensa. He attributes this to the maturity of the players. Hindi niya inaako na success niya yon dahil ito daw mga players realize for themselves na importante talaga ang depensa if they want to compete for a championship. Back to you guys.
Well, tama yun, but you're talking about their offense, being the same. Ayun na nga, TM3 para kay Nino Caneleta coming off the timeout. And it's true, the dedication to defense has brought Air 21 to where they are right now.
Pwede naman talaga kahit sinong coach naman ang kausap mo, sasabihin sa defense wins championships Offense only wins games.
Yun na nga. And Lanete, pinawi agad ang TM3 ni Nino Caneleta with one of his own. 7 minutes and 33 remaining first half. Lead
10 points in the ball game for Chico Lanete.
Ang bilis no? Nakapasok lang nakasampu na agad. Caneleta wants another one. It's in and out. Offensive rebound. Arwin Santos hangs in the air. Naabutan ni PJ Simon.
I'd like to take back what I said.
Oo nga, yung mas mataas tumalon at mahirapan si Simon kay Arwin Santos. Butata. But Arboleda wants a 3. Doesn't get it. Stephen Gabi Espinas once again. I'm sorry. And
small version ba?
Oo nga Sa unang tingin magkakulay.
Yeah.
Itong balat. Itong dalawang mamang ito. Gary David comes back in. Caneleta sits down. Ito yung shot just a while ago. Lanete, TM3, hatid sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte SIM. 30 pesos lang, may bagong diskarte ka na.
Parang offensive foul yun. Kitang-kita mo yung kalimang siko nitong si Simon
And that was an offensive foul. Turnover on the part of Pure Foods, but they're still up by 12. Let's see how Air 21 fares in the last 7:08 of this first half. Kung makahabol sila rito bago mag-halftime, or will Pure Foods maintain or increase their lead? Stephen Thomas in the lane, kicks it out to Arboleda. Jumps a little closer, wala ang kanyang tira. Rebound, Richard Yee. Looking for a guard, ito si Lanete. To Kirby Raimundo. Wants to take on Arwin Santos. Foul is called on Arwin.
Nangisda lang yun.
Oo.
Nangisda lang.
Veteran move dito si Kirby Raimundo.
So, dalawang free throws ay bibigay dito kay Kirby Raimundo. 12 ang abante ng Pure Foods, 41-29. Biggest lead na ito dahil pumasok ng free throw ni Kirby. 9 points in the ball game. Roger Yap checks in for Chico Lanete.
And Lanete, what a great account he gave of himself. 10 points, 2 of 3 from 3 in that short stint on the floor. And then fresh legs ni Roger Yap, papasok ng mga yun. So, ang ganda naman nun para kay Coach Ryan Gregorio.
At etong si Kirby Raimundo became the third Pure Foods cager to score in double figures after James Schaap, Chico Lanete.
Biglang umanda ng score nila, but Arboleda wants to get 3 of his own. Wala yan. Offensive rebound, Arwin Santos hung in the air. Gets the foul from Kirby Raimundo, backing up on Arwin Santos. So chance para sa 3-point play naman para kay Arwin Santos. Tingnan natin nangyari dito, the offensive board. And he waited. Oh, boom.
Siguro sabi ni Kirby, kung alam ko lang tatawagan ako, hinataw ko na.
Exactly.
Tinalikuran ko na nga, tinawagan pa ako
At yun yung complaint niya to the referee actually, yung 3-point play.
Sana hinataw ko na para sigurado ko lang 3-point play.
Sana nga, hinataw na lang niya. James Yap going all the way. Second time he's done that, all the way to the lane, a one-hander. Balik sa 13, ang lamang ng Pure Foods Giants. David, the baseline. Gets the contact, wala ang kanyang tira. Stephen Thomas wants to go for second serving, but going down low is Roger Yap. Steals the ball away James Yap leading the break. Down to Enrico Villanueva. Baseline top to Richard Yee. Supalpal sa taas.
Teka,
Offensive
ang
foul.
tawag dito eh.
Sino bumagsak mo? Si Espinas mo o si Thomas?
Si
One of them.
Thomas nandito sa backcourt pa eh. Di pa na sumalabas.